Go big or go home. We're getting an SV or bust. He's got the craziest story you got to hear him tell. It involves 7 police officers following him to the dealership. Whoa, wheel spin. Damn. Whoa, little pop. The 6M5 LT for this year is like one of my favorite cars ever. Oh, I lost my drink.
Oh, is that Ray's F430?
Ray's F430.
Ray's doing well.
I'm trying to show you up with the polished wheel.
Look at us now. Bam.
Oh.
And bam. Don't mind the tape. We've got to fix a piece of trim. So we'll hide the tape.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to another episode of Daily Driven Exotics. We came to pick up the Murcielago. That's right, she's coming home. We got an epic road trip today. It's gonna be the 6M5 LT and the Murcielago. And we're gonna be hitting the road. We got a beautiful day today. Look at this. Look at this weather. And we're taking a crazy back road. DD road trip, back roads. Hey. Look what else is here. The Aperta.
Looking good.
We are working on getting the Aperta. Dude, this thing is so bright. No, it's so bright it looks white on camera, I think. Aperta's going stateside, you guys. Who's ready to have DD back all up in the US? You rev the hell out of this. It's Martin. Hey Martin. Hey Martin. DD's here. We're getting some new tires put on the Mercy. The old ones were hockey pucks. Much as we're Canadians and we like hockey, we don't like our pucks on the back of the tires of 600 horsepower supercars.
Keep your sticks on the ice.
Keep your stick out of my face.
What?
Volcano yellow, looking amazing in the sun with these brand new pure wheels in the polished double tint and the Gladiator X-Comp tires. I'm a little jelly, my man. I think I need to get some new wheels for the Mercy.
I put a post on Instagram for a vote saying, how do you like the new polished pure wheels?
Yeah.
89% loved it.
Yep.
89%.
There's only a couple options with yellow. Black, polished double tint, or like a silver.
Or what if we did yellow on yellow? We did paint matching the wheels.
Monotone? I don't know about that.
I don't know about that.
I don't know about that. The Aperta's looking pretty spiffy out here in the sun. Always a great way to show off things like, hold on, let me just put that right there. The Vorsteiner forged carbon louvered fenders and these insane forged carbon side skirts in the sun, which go all the way into the door sill. You can't really appreciate this car, I'm telling you guys, until you see it in person, so don't knock it till you try it. Oh, those are tires?
What? Yes.
Yeah! New tires. Ta-da-da! Sport Cup 2s, a glorified road slick. Are we gonna be buying more cars anytime soon?
Yes.
What are we doing? What are the new cars?
I love the 675 LT for the tech and all that. It'd be really cool to have a big Aventador with the V12, the Lamborghini noise. You don't get the noise in that car, so I think that would make sense. I think I need an SV in yellow. I apologize for interrupting the vlog, but today's video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Now, millions have heard of the game, except for one person, a friend of mine from high school, I found out has not heard of Raid Shadow Legends. So today, we're gonna educate him. Dan!
Dave Coulter?
Get in here, dude!
Man, I haven't seen you since you got famous, man.
Yeah, whatever, get in!
Dave Coulter, man, it's been a long time. Like, how's things going?
Alright guys, this video is sponsored by Raid Shadow Legends. Dan's a really good friend of mine, but he's never heard of the game, so today, he's gonna learn all about it. Freeze! Stop whatever it is you're doing and take a breath. Don't waste your life. It's time you made some changes. Have you taken down the Demon Lord yet? Crushed the Ice Golem?
What are you talking about?
Ascended the Doom Tower?
Man, what's going on here?
What about fighting against millions of real players in the arena?
Dave, I don't know what to tell you, man. No, I don't know what you're talking about. I think you really cut my lip or something. Like, I think I'm bleeding.
Well, now you can get your life in order because it's time to raid. Explore millions of champion combinations and master countless tactics as you take on the raid bosses, dungeon runs, campaign battles, and PvP arena matches. With hundreds of artifacts to equip and over 500 champions blessed with unique skills, you can build your team, develop your champions, and raid your way. The best part, it's free to play. Use my link below or scan this QR code to download for mobile and desktop. People have played for over 12.5 billion hours. That's enough to travel to Mars and back without Elon Musk and his Dogecoin money. Wow, over 35.5 billion battles have been fought. Raid champions have consumed over 775 billion chickens. That's a lot of poultry. That's more than 15 times the amount of chicken people eat globally every year! Now, first thing I'll know is the console-like quality graphics right here on my iPhone. This month, Raid's got a jam-packed schedule of events to kick off the summer. Hoo-yah! As well as loads of new content. And as always, they got a bunch of brand new champions coming out, and every single one of them looks absolutely bad. There's also a new rotation of the Doom Tower, which I definitely want to finish this month. Better find the time. So I'm going to try to summon as many of these new champions as possible to see if they can help me reach the top. To the top! Raid's always got a lot going on, and this month is no different. So don't wait around and don't miss out. All you have to do is hit the link in description or scan my QR code and you'll get an epic hero, Shaunaru, who is amazing in the Doom Tower. 200,000 silver, 1 XP boost, 1 energy refill, and 1 ancient shard, so you can summon an awesome champion as soon as you get in the game. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. The rewards will only be available for new players and only for the next 30 days. You want to play with me in the game? Look me up, Dave_DDE. So what are you waiting for, you guys? Click the link in description or scan the QR code on the screen and help support my channel by downloading Raid today. I will see you guys in the game.
Can we go for a ride then in the car, man? Oh, all right. So I'll just go then. Thanks, man. Good to see you.
Yep. All right, guys, back to the vlog.
What are you doing?
I'm the most impatient guy in the world. This Ferrari of mine, I want to drive it today. So I use some of this amazing
It's leaking fuel from right here.
5-minute epoxy, Permatex. Either this is gonna make my day or it's gonna kill me. Check out the next vlog.
Thumbnail, thumbnail. Ray's F430 Spider in flames, next thumbnail. This is dangerous. Now, Ray would never do this to anybody's car except for his own because he thinks it's funny and he's impatient. But look at the top of this. It's not supposed to look like that. And all you can smell right now is fumes. Are you gonna start this thing? I'm gonna stand back. Do you have a fire extinguisher in here?
Okay.
It just landed on his head. Dude.
Oh, we failed again.
The leaking?
Is it leaking?
You can see the gas.
When do those new fuel pumps come?
Monday morning. We're not driving this vehicle for a while.
Thank you for putting new tires on the Murcielago. Sorry you can't come for a rip with us tonight. We were really hoping Uncle Ray Ray. Oh, you don't want us to call you that anymore. Daddy Ray Ray.
How long have you been friends for?
Well,
too long.
friends are, you know, it's like.
But like seriously, how long? 10 years?
Yeah, 10 years.
At least 10 years.
Important to always treasure friendships from back in the day. I do.
I don't treasure this at all.
You know what? We were talking about buying potentially an Aventador SV, and Raymond, you have one maybe at your store downtown that could be for sale.
I do have one. We are working on it. We also got called on a SV Spider today, a Roadster.
Get a Roadster, I'll get a coupe.
That would be crazy. 2 SVs
Matching
on the channel.
SVs?
This is amazing.
Hey.
Or
You
Why
guys
are you
can buy some
tickling
nice
him?
cars.
What's a nice
Name
car?
a nice car. What would earn your respect?
Million plus would be like bottom
Name
level.
a car. Don't send them money. It's about money.
Okay, well it is about money, always.
Name the car, come with the money. The car that you'd respect.
P1 Bugatti 918.
We got the Courier GT. You said that was the highest one.
CGT, yeah, 100%. CGT is number 1. You did really well there because you listened to me.
A Reventon?
Yeah, why not?
Okay, hold on. Off camera. Okay, Reventon. Cool. If they get it, we'll talk about it then. In the meantime, we could revisit the P1.
Big
P1?
McLaren guy, always have been since day one.
All right, there are a couple of very special, let's say one of one, and I'm not joking, McLaren P1s that they are about to get possession of. Potentially could be very good DDE cars. A little higher mileage. They have very exclusive paint jobs. They're spec'd in a very special way that there's no other cars like them on the planet, and he thinks they'd fit in with the brand. What do you guys think about having a P1 on the channel?
Gentlemen, we need snacks to start off this road trip
Snacks.
night. Not really a road trip, more just a cruise.
Barney's here. We have another SV coming and a Roadster. Buy an SV or bust.
What are you gonna get?
I'm gonna go for my 3rd Red Bull today.
Look how perfect his hair is, though, seriously. Appreciate that for a second. My God. Do you think I'll get sick from a gas station tuna sandwich?
You can't have that. There's crust on it.
I'll cut the crust off.
Do they have any hot dogs? No bun?
Oh, would you look at that? While we're getting drinks, yet another SV. And there is another one coming still.
Sorry guys, I can't get this one.
Oh, this is awkward. Can you go ahead and just...
I got it. I got it.
Decline? Decline! Ooh. She's pretty. Another SV?
Dude, this thing's beautiful. We were just chatting, you won't even believe this story.
Yep.
You guys heard a little bit previously about we've been talking about how the police, a handful of police, about 5 of them, are being complete pricks to anyone with a high-end sports car. And what they're doing is giving out basically tickets illegally. The type of ticket they're giving out is not disputable. So they can give it to you, they can be wrong about why they're giving it to you, and there's nothing you can do about it. They'd be giving them out to completely stock cars. So this SV just got it, but he's got the craziest story you gotta hear him tell. It involves 7 police officers following him to the dealership, snooping around his car.
I was just driving downtown, the cop pulls me over and he's like, oh, it's too loud, can you pull over and stuff? And I'm like, yeah, sure. It's like license, registration, all that stuff. Comes back, he's like, oh, you're gonna get a VI today for excessive noise and it's too loud. I'm like, it's fully stocked, nothing's wrong. And then moments later, he comes back with his machine and he comes and he puts it right here.
Oh, yeah,
and he's holding it and it has like a tiny like tripod stand, leaves it here, and he now comes into me and tells me rev to 4,000 RPM. Yeah, no. 4,000 in downtown, probably on Georgia, like busiest point in downtown. And I'm like, why are you making me rev? Like, now no one would ever go that high with the revs. Comes back and he's like, yep, you're way too high, this, that. Focuses on the side marker, then moves forward and it's like, oh, your number plate, it's on the side, right here.
So a lot of guys, if you guys don't know, a lot of supercars can get a tow hook license plate holder, little bar that comes out to about here, and then it's got a plate holder that sits right here on the side of the front of the car.
No, he's like, yo, I can't see it very well from the other lane.
Imagine you were in the opposite lane and that car was passing you. You're telling me you can't see the front end of that car from any angle?
Nah.
That sounds like the cops being a bit of a bully, because there's no way that a plate right there is less visible than this plate right here.
The front of the car would have to be shaped like that.
Let me drive off and then went back for the inspection. Took me almost 2 weeks to get a hold of them, and they show up and literally I have pictures.
The cops came?
Yeah, they came like about
to where?
To the dealership.
For the inspection?
Yeah, you can see all of them out there.
How many?
About 7, 1, 2, 3.
7 cops?
Yep, 4, 5,
Shut up.
6.
That's insane.
Dude, there's 7 cops at his inspection. Look at this.
Yep, they're all standing here looking at the car, looking at everything.
Is this video?
Yeah, this
we're
video.
gonna take this and play this in a second. You guys can't even believe this. 7 police officers showed up to do a vehicle inspection on a completely stock SV, absolutely bullying people, saying that this decibel meter is what reads. They don't even need to do that. If they think it sounds too loud, they can come up and give you a vehicle inspection. And so in the end, did your car pass?
Yeah, it did.
So you guys, check out these officers, 7 officers inspecting this stock SV here and going completely bananas because they don't like the way it sounds. So what were they doing? They're looking around?
Looking around, examining the engine, the pipes, the like catalytic converter, just trying to look and see if, you know, what's there and what's not there. And they asked one of the service guys to actually drive on the alley right there to go forward and come back. And
that's when they drive the car?
Yeah, they asked one of the service guys.
Of the inspection.
So one of the biggest issues is they're basically attacking the customer and not so much going after the manufacturer, because they're saying that these cars are being imported illegally.
Correct.
They're saying that you can't use sport mode, you can't have valves on your exhaust. Basically that these cars are being manufactured illegally, or at some extremes, some of the officers have told people that the cars are being brought in parts and pieces. They bring in the exhaust and all these things afterwards and build them at the dealership, which is complete bull.
Totally.
Okay, that was crazy, dude. Like 9 cops at a dealership looking at customer cars, writing down VIN numbers. Here's the biggest issue with all this. There needs to be a goalpost. You need to know what's illegal and not illegal. I get some cars are straight pipes, are speeding, you're gonna get a ticket, you're asking for it.
100%.
But in a completely stock car, driving normal, pulled off the road, a ticket.
A lot of cops are doing an amazing job.
Yes.
They're necessary, we need them.
Yes.
The downside is when people get out of control and start bending the rules, and there's no one governing those cops to do the right thing, then you get this public opinion that all cops are bad, all cops are corrupt, and these guys are really creating a bad image. And we know other cops that have said that, like, these guys are giving everybody a bad name.
Because it's not an isolated incident. This car was completely stock, got a VI. Cops knew that.
This is
and doing this
hundreds.
to tons of people. Hundreds of people in a completely stock car getting a VI. So the cops are not learning their lesson. They're doing this out of some sort of spite, or I don't understand the motivation behind it, but it needs to
jealousy,
stop. It needs to stop.
Just power.
You're not doing anything in your stock car. Like my 695 LT is completely stock. Even now I'm kind of nervous to drive through Vancouver in it. Yeah.
Anyhow, let's go for a drive.
All right, Lucas, rev it. Just joking.
3 SVs, 6 M5, the Murcielago. It's gonna be fun tonight, you guys. Very bad. There we go. Let's go.
rehearsal to promote the brand new Fast 9 movie that comes out June 25th. And right now, our boy John behind the scenes, getting an exclusive look at one of the cars from the movie. Take it away, John.
Okay, everybody, John Cena here on the set of Fast 9, getting fast with this TVR. This is a car that surprised me being here today. Rare car, I've actually never seen one of these up close. This has that rare British unique styling just like a Morgan. It's something that you will never see on the road. And this one is dead sexy. All blacked out, and you need to check out the interior. Very British, but yet racy at the same time. Everyone is unbelievably amazed at these cars, and that's what I love so much about the car culture. It brings people together and it gets them talking. What's your favorite? What do you like? My abs are gonna cramp up trying to get in it, but I'm gonna get in it. I don't care. This is a big guy in a little car.
I don't know, Roadster or Coupe? I like the Roadster.
Really? You take the Roadster over a Coupe?
Yeah, because it's a hard top, so when it's on, it looks like a Coupe. It does. So this is different.
Yeah, that's
I like
different.
this. I like the design of this.
You can't see the engine though. You can see the engine on that one.
You can get this in glass. He just cheaped out.
Did he?
Yeah.
So did Luke. Luke cheaped out as well.
You can get this in glass.
I could put a big in there. You know
See,
what?
look.
Rest in peace in the comment section.
Glass, cheap.
Luke, you cheap son of a...
Got carbon to hide it.
Oh, carbon's cool actually.
Carbon is cool.
Between these two cars, which would you take?
I would take that one. I like both of them, but I like the Roadster. I like being able to take the top off. I'm getting used to it, the CGT now. The CGT, I love it. You can take the top off and cruise. Let the wind blow through your hair.
I'd say coupe. It has more of a spaceship vibe. Like
You like coupes better?
Yeah,
I'm with you.
yeah.
I like both.
Oh, yeah.
I'm just saying, I do like the option of having this come off, especially now, like with the Carrera GT. I'm always taking the roof off on a nice day.
Yeah, but you always walk around with no shirt on as well, so it kind of makes sense.
No, I don't.
Top off.
It's underwear. I don't know underwear. I don't know any Roadsters for sale. Are you selling your car?
Yeah.
Yeah.
2 mil.
$2 million?
I'm getting lucky.
We're gonna have to work on the negotiating here. They all look amazing. What would you guys want to see on the channel? Coupe or Roadster? I want to know.
I'm a coupe guy. I don't know why. I just don't like Roadsters.
Guys, I think we need to go really hunting for an SV. It's shopping for an SV time. That's what's up.
It means
We gotta
two
make
of them,
it
by the
happen.
way.
Two? We gotta get two?
We're the #1 Lamborghini ambassadors on the internet. They expect it from us.
We'll switch it up a little bit. We'll get you an SV, and I'll get an SVJ.
I do that deal.
Or a Sion.
Hold on.
All right.
SVJ.
Centenario. I mean, one of them. Good night, Barney. Thanks for watching this video. You guys need to smash the subscribe button. Throw us a thumbs up on this video.
Should we show them what I just got from Forum Builds? Should we show them? Forum Builds, who has the Hummer H1 right now, sent me 7 videos. I have no idea what they are. I assume it's the interior. It could be some weird stuff.
I have a little update on the Hummer. As you can see, everything is going in quite nicely. Looks sick, looks a lot better in person than it does on camera.
If you couldn't tell, they're Russian, okay?
Also all the door panels, so you don't have the exposed screw like you used to have. This Hummer was missing a whole bunch of screws, a whole bunch of clips that we need to order extra. So other than that,
when we jumped
we're not going to throw the seats just yet until we end up switching all those screws over there. So the door panels, this is where the speaker's going to be. Like I said, I'm not going to pop that out just yet, so you guys can cut size to your own speakers. But everything's looking Also these trimmings, these are all the trimmings that I was talking about, all cracked. We're pretty much just going to unscrew, cut them all off. Everything's going fast and smooth.
Those seats look sick.
Hit like the video, subscribe, and you know what? We love you.
And we have new merch coming out, June 25th. Same day as Fast and the Furious, did you know that?
Yeah.
I do have multiple
See you
other
later.
vehicles.
Maybe some
Oh! Smooth operator! Smooth operator!